Hi there, I'm John, and I'm a Zenfolio expert. Today I'm going to show you how to publish your Zenfolio website. The web editor was designed to function as an iterative drafting system, which means that while your changes are saved in the editor every time you add, remove, or edit content, or change the design, the changes won't actually be made live until the website is published or republished if you've already published it once. To publish your website, log into your Zenfolio account, and from your dashboard, click the website icon in the left toolbar. From here, to publish your site, all you have to do in your web editor is click the orange Publish button in the upper right-hand corner. Once you do so, a pop-up will appear showing you your Zenfolio URL or your custom domain URL if you have one attached to your account, and will tell you that your website was successfully published. You can click the Copy button to copy the URL directly into your clipboard to paste somewhere else and view it for yourself.